Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Atlassian Rovo or related tools from Cloud Marketplace, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Atlassian Rovo or related tools from the Cloud Marketplace, start by logging into your Atlassian Cloud account. Navigate to the Atlassian Administration dashboard. From the left-hand menu, select the Apps option. Click on Find New Apps to access the Atlassian Marketplace. In the search bar, type Rovo or the specific tool you are looking for. Browse through the search results and choose the tool that fits your needs. Click on the tool to view more details about it. Review the tool's features, pricing, and user ratings to ensure it's the right fit. Once satisfied, click on the Try It Free button or the equivalent installation option. Follow any prompts to confirm your selection and initiate the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete, which usually takes just a couple of minutes. After installation, return to the Apps section in your administration dashboard. Locate the newly installed tool in the list of integrated apps. Click on the tool to configure its settings as per your requirements. Complete any necessary onboarding steps presented by the tool. Integrate the tool with your existing workflows or other Atlassian products if prompted. Once set up, explore the functionalities to familiarize yourself with the tool. If you encounter any issues, refer to the documentation provided by the tool's developers. Continue to monitor updates and improvements for optimal performance in your team environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.